Welcome back to my channel mga kapanalig. Nandito tayo live na live, nagre-report sa bagyong Krising. Ayan, makikita nyo medyo bumabaha na sa Newport. Ayan, sa Pasay, and we are here with Andre. So, Andre, congratulations on your graduation. So, two more years and yes, kaya-kaya mo yan, di ba? So now, let's do the Guess the Airline. Yes. Ang dami nagre-request sa'yo.
Dream ko to.
Ang dami nagre-request sa'yo. Kasi nagilap na kita. Oh.
Wow!
So the first one,
Cathay Pacific.
perfect.
Singapore Airlines.
Good.
Philippine Airlines.
Okay.
Cebu Pacific.
Oh, wow. Parang 4 out of 5. And the last one is not an airline, pero this is one of the most recognizable logo sa generation natin ng AMT ngayon.
Wow, parang di ko to alam. Skill Tech, syempre.
Yeah, thank you. So, Skilltech is the #1 reviewer for AMT and ANL. And thank you again. Congratulations, Napshi. Ha, galingan mo pa.